how to build chords, how to play polyrhythm, syncopation, how to play fingerstyle. So I have a fundamental understanding of both fields simultaneously. That's cross-disciplinary. Multidisciplinary is when you have to take multiple disciplines into consideration. One area I might get into area of psychopathology, mental disorders, pathology, mental diseases. And I might get into key in on areas like, let's say, bipolar, OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, or let's say bipolar 1, manic, or bipolar 2, hypomania. I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travels. I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes.